Welcome to Hire IT People, Inc. Please visit us at hireitpeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at Hire IT People on your favorite social platforms. Today's job ID is 31028. The job location is in San Jose, California. The candidate should ideally have the following skills: familiarity or exposure to cloud computing, platforms, and ecosystems such as Azure and AWS, data science including statistics, machine learning, data visualization, referential database such as Oracle, MySQL, and SQL Server, writing clean, scalable production code in Python, developing automatic test and development scripts. Ideally, the candidate should have experience of 7 years. For the detailed job description, please follow the link in the description of the video. Thank you for your time and have a good day. Hire IT People, Inc. Please visit us at hireitpeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at Hire IT People on your favorite social platforms.